Hi, I'm Keely and I work for Ronseal, and we've been creating these videos to really help you out at home. This might be the first time you've ever used some of these products, and they're really easy. Ronseal does exactly what it says on the tin. I'm a DIY queen, I've been there myself. Hopefully you'll find these really useful. In this video, we're going to show you how to spruce up your kitchen on a budget. No need to rip out any cabinets. We're just going to put a lick of paint on those cupboards and give them a new lease of life. With Ronseal's one coat cupboard paint, it's tough, durable and water resistant, and there's no need to prime, you can paint it straight on. When using one coat cupboard paint, we recommend removing the cupboard doors first and laying them flat. If your wood's in good nick, give it a light sand with 240 grit sandpaper. If the paint is flaking or cracked, sand it back to bare wood with 120 grit sandpaper. Now for the paint. Just give it a good stir through. Apply one coat, painting from top to bottom. Sometimes if you're covering a strong colour with a light one, you may need to apply a second coat. If so, leave 4 hours between coats. Onto the tiles. With Ronseal one coat tile paint, it saves you the costly job of removing your tiles. You can just quickly put a lick of paint on there and give them a brand new look. After giving them a clean, stir the paint. Apply one coat of the paint working vertically. Don't worry about going onto the grout line. Just wait 24 hours before getting the tile wet. You can then redefine the grout line with one of our one coat grout pens. Shake it until you hear it rattle and hold the nib down on some paper until the white paint starts to come out, just like using a normal pen. And if you get any on your tiles, use a damp cloth to remove it. Like the paint, it takes a day to dry. Kitchens tend to have a lot of moisture due to lots of boiling pots and pans, so you may want to consider using the Ronseal anti-condensation paint as a primer. This will help prevent mould. Ronseal does exactly what it says on the tin.